In this video, we'll recommend the best budget action camera to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of Best Budget Action Camera 2022 is Crosstour CT9900. The best ultra-cheap action camera. There are not many cameras around costing less than $100 that can boast fully fledged 4K video at 60 FPS, never mind at the Crosstour CT9900's current sub-$80 price bracket. But as well as its mightily impressive video resolution, the camera also has inbuilt image stabilization, a 2-inch rear touchscreen, is waterproof to 40 meters, and can take 20 MP stills. As well as the camera, waterproof housing, and a wide range of mounts, the CT9900 standard package pretty much includes every accessory you'll ever need, with 2 removable batteries, a shutter remote, and a clip-on external USB microphone. A couple of minor corners have been cut to hit the CT9900's extremely wallet-friendly price though. Recorded sound is almost inaudible during in-camera playback, and you don't get a plug for the charging cable. At number 4. Alfie 1.5 2nd Gen. A feature-packed camera with a bargain price tag. This second-generation Alfie 1.5 Black gives you a big, bulging bag of bangs for a relatively small number of bucks. It can shoot in 4K, can take 15-megapixel photos, is waterproof to 30 meters, can record slow motion at 120 frames per second, and has a wealth of other features you'd expect to find on a camera costing a whole lot more. The package also includes a carry case, an array of mounts and accessories, an ultra-fast 64GB microSD memory card, and even a free accidental damage cover. The inbuilt image stabilization might not match GoPro's hyper-smooth, but it does a decent job of smoothing out the roughest aspects of our footage. You may expect Alfie to have cut some corners to hit such a competitive price point with the 1.5 Black, but the camera is solidly built and the Sony branded sensor is excellent. Our only real niggle is that the rear touchscreen, although very responsive, is annoyingly small. At number 3. Acaso Brave 7. Best budget action camera that's packed with features. Next up in our best cheap action camera ranking is the Acaso Brave 7, a budget cam that boasts a stack of attractive features we think it's well worth splashing the RRP on. It'll record 4K video at 30 frames per second, the image stabilization isn't up to much, however, and takes stills at up to 20 MP, including an up to 12 MP burst mode up to 15 shots per second. It's waterproof to 10M without the case, it has a 2-inch rear touchscreen for relatively easy controls, and it also comes with a remote as well as supporting voice controls. For the price it's a lot of cameras, just don't expect it to feel quite as lovely as a GoPro. At number 2. Acaso Brave 7 LE. The best cheap action camera. Next up in our best budget action camera ranking is the Akeso Brave 7 LE. This cam fits nicely in the palm of your hand. At 127 grams, it has a sturdy weight to it, and its contoured metal and plastic body looks and feels like a camera with a far heftier price tag. While its headline feature is a front-facing screen, the Brave 7 LE also sports a number of features only usually found on fancier models, such as voice control, time-lapse facilities, and 6-axis image stabilization. Factor in that it comes with 2 batteries, a remote, a wide range of mounts, and waterproof housing, and this is a camera that gives fantastic value for money. If you're looking for a rugged and feature-packed camera with a wallet-friendly price, the Akeso Brave 7 LE is seriously hard to beat. At number 1 of the top 5 best budget action camera 2022 is GoPro Hero 7 Lite. Best value. The best cheap action camera around right now is the GoPro Hero 7 Lite. This nifty cam was originally released in October 2018 as a budget companion to the then flagship Hero 7 Black. While it's a far cry from the current best GoPro, the Hero 7 Lite still delivers some impressive action cam tech in a streamlined, and crucially very wallet-friendly, package. The H7 Lite is compatible with most GoPro accessories, including the brand's extensive mount and housing range, although, unlike the newer GoPros, there's no bunny ear mounting system built in, so you'll need to pop your cam into a frame before you can mount it to anything. Thank you for watching the top 5 best budget action camera 2022, and we hope you enjoyed our action camera buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.